Why, hello, friends. Jen Foxbot here. So last night I went to go floss my teeth, and instead of grabbing the container, I knocked it onto the floor, and all the pieces came tumbling out. And so I was like, oh, great, my floss is dirty, just what I needed. But as I was putting it back together, it turns out it was just what I needed because I realized how simple and elegant this design is. So the way that it works is this little bobbin of floss is held onto this three-pronged holder, and the floss thread comes up through the little hole up top and to the blade. We only see this top part, but I just am so blown away by how it's just one piece. It fits right in this tiny little container, and it's very straightforward design, and unless you knock it onto the floor, it works pretty much all the time. Very few things can break inside of here. So I would encourage you to start looking inside things, figuring out how things work. That's one of the reasons why I love science and engineering, and really what drew me to it is because I'm really curious about the way the world works, about the way random objects within the world works. And in all honesty, it is a big thing that brings me hope and joy on an everyday basis. And it really can allow us to see the connections between all humans around the entire world, because you can get these same floss containers in a lot of different places. So I would encourage you to start looking inside things and see what you can find. All right, thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye!